Hi there mga beloved true soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Dito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soul and meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan sinusubaybayan ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat natin soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Ating pong reading ngayon pagsasamahan ay reading po para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign para sa buwan ng April 2026. So, ulitin ko, this is for you, Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at gustuhan nyo po at di po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe po. Mag-comment, like, and share also. Kapag napapanood po ito sa ating TikTok account, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-follow, mag-comment. And of course, if you want to avail po our personal reading, ay mag-send lang po kayo ng direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. At pag-usapan po natin kung paano ko makakapag-book ng slot for personal reading. And disclaimer lang po or important notice po, may mga poster po kasi tayo mga nanggagaya po ng ating account sa TikTok and also nag-re-upload ng ating mga videos. So, ingat po kayo because napakarami pong scammer ngayon. Hindi po ako yung una mag-chat para sa inyo o pang mag-offer ng personal reading. Please, doble ingat po, okay? Only check lang po kung saan yung original ko pong TikTok account ay yung may pinakamaraming following po. Sige, dating patagalin pa ito, Aries, Sun, Rising, and Venus sign. 10 cards mo para sa buwan ng April 2026. Spirit Universe, Spirit Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Aries, Spirit Universe, Spirit Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Thank you so much po. Hindi po ako magsasawang pasalamat sa inyo sa pagkasabi ko ng itong nanood po sa inyo simula noon hanggang ngayon. Saan man po makarating ang ating channel ay it's you, my beloved soulmate na subscribers na walang sawang tumutulong, nanonood, hindi nag-skip ng ads, commenting, sharing the videos. Kumbaga, sa inyo po talaga, kayo po yung dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon. Okay, Aries, your 10 cards are now complete for April 2026. I know that you're so excited. Huwag na natin papatagalin ito. Let's begin. Aries, for your April 2026 reading. Wow, this is a very beautiful opening card, 10 of Cups. So Aries, there's a big celebration that is coming on your way. Hindi lang ito simpleng celebration, but this is a kind of celebration na talagang even your friends, even your family members, and the whole community that you belong ay magiging masaya sa'yo. They will be celebrating also with you. Kung ano man tong big milestone na inaantay mo, expect by April 2026 na talagang there will be clarity. Makikita mo ng bunga ng lahat na pinaghirapan mo. Or if you're wanting something, if you're wishing for something, if you are, kung talaga may inaantay ka ng malaking bagay, so by April 2026, with this celebration card, I can see here that this is the culmination of that thing. So, i-claim mo na ito, darating na ito para sa'yo, just pray for it, and talagang take it easy. Okay, no pressure at all. Everything is in universe and God's perfect timing for you, Aries. Oh, wow! 10 of Pentacles, sabi ko nga eh. So, April 2026, napakaganda ng pasok ng kaperahan para sa'yo. There will be massive. This is not only big, but I call the term massive. Talagang malaki. Malaking kaperahan ito, Aries. So, expect massive improvement, maraming pasok, maraming kung pera pag-uusapan talagang napakarami, multiple sources ang paggagalingan nito para sa Aries. So, if you're worrying about your finances, medyo kinakapos, medyo na nakakautang-utang, parang deficit pa, but now, this April 2026 will be a different kind of month for you in terms of finances, Aries. So, expect growth, expect improvement in terms of kaperahan para sa Aries. So, congratulations! So, tingnan natin. 6 of Sword, Aries. So, April 2026, the universe is advising you na kung pwede ay wag na muna mag-entertain ng mga taong, kumbaga, distraction lang for you. You need to move away from them. You don't need to, I'm not saying na parang i-close mo yung borders for them or yung communication mo. But at least now, this April, kung pwedeng wag na muna mag-entertain sa kanila, it's because they are causing you, they are sending you negativity. So, maybe itong mga tao na to parang wala lang namang malaking naitutulong sa'yo, but it's a headache na lang, puro stress at problema. Okay? Unti-unti mo munang silang layuan or don't talk to them or move away from them as of this month. Okay, kasi ang focus mo by April, Aries, is more on self-improvement, more on career and go pera or everything sa trabaho. But if you've been distracted by these people, of course, masisira, madidiscourage yung mga plan mo. Okay? So, don't entertain negative people by this month. Wow. I said, wow. Aries, we have the star card here. April will be a very, very beautiful month for you. You will be known, matunog ang pangalan mo pag-uusapan ka. O hindi lang sa dami ng blessings na parating sa'yo, but everything, you will be rewarded, makakakuha ka ng recognition, awards, promotion, everything that you've been working for a long time. April will be a very fruitful, talagang masagana, umaapaw, siksik, liglig itong buwan na to para sa'yo. Tama? Celebration, Ten of Pentacles, Star card. So this is a very, very beautiful cards for you, Aries, comes April. So this will be, kumbaga, recovery season mo ito. Kumbaga, kung dati puro lag, puro stagnancy yung mga nakaraan, ngayon babawi ka talaga. Kumbaga, ito yung buwan na talagang, kumbaga, sabi ko nga, i-recover mo naman lahat yung mga nawala sa'yo, yung mga, kumbaga, konting nalugi or whatsoever mga delays na naranasan mo lately. So April 2026, Aries, I'm telling you, this is a very good month for you in terms of resources and money and blessings. Okay. Aries, your fifth card is the Two of Swords. Sorry. There's an opportunity that will be opening for you by April, Aries. So you will be mapupunta ka sa desisyon, sa sitwasyon na magde-decide ka talaga kung tatanggapin mo ba to or whatsoever. So this is a very good problem for you, Aries, kasi may opportunities na darating, may opportunities na i-offer sa'yo, tatanggapin mo ba to o hindi. But I know, Aries, so whatever will be your decision na gagawin dito, it will be, kumbaga, mag-yield ito ng positive result o magbubunga ito ng magandang or makakatulong ito sa'yo ng malaki. You know what? Why? Because nandito yung Star card, nandito yung Ten of Pentacles and Celebration card. So this is a good problem nga eh. Okay? So bihira mangyari ito. Yung klase ng problema, ikaw yung mahihirapan pumili. It's sa mga blessings and opportunities na parating para sa'yo. So decision making. Okay? I-manifest mo ito, pray mo ito, you ask the sign of the universe. And of course, you need to make decision based on your kailangan balance yung emotion mo. Hindi yung base kung galit ka or sobrang happy mo, okay? You need to settle first. You need to, kumbaga, balance your emotions, everything first before making a big decision. So, Aries, before we proceed to our last 5 cards sa ating second row, ulitin ko if you want, nagustuhan niyo po ang ating reading at di pa ka nag-subscribe, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you're watching this on our TikTok account, please follow also if you want to avail our personal reading. Mag-send na po kayo direct message. At hindi po kang unang mag-chat para sa inyo. Ang dami po nang gagaya ng ating page. Please, doble ingat po kayo sa mga scammer ngayon. Okay, Aries, let's continue this for your April 2026. Oh my God. Nasisilip akong, ay buti na lang nag-reverse. Hindi maganda. Devil card in reverse ito ha. So, Aries, Devil card in reverse, so buti na lang. Kasi lately siguro, Aries, parang may problem sa family related. Parang may malaking problema kayo hinarap lately sa pamilya. Maring may nagkasakit, parang may nakulong, ako nakikita dito. Or parang may kinasuhan or may na-involve sa malaking problem. But with the Devil card in reverse comes April 2026, magiging okay na ang lahat. There will be solution. There will be, kumbaga, clarity about sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyari. But I can see here, kumbaga, something na nangyari na naapektuhan yung relationship ng family or parang is hindi lang ikaw, Aries, but the whole family yung apektuhan sa bagay na nangyari ito. Maybe something na talagang nagawa ng family member or parang na-involved lang siya with the Devil card o maaaring may gumawa sa kanya ng masama or nag-plan, nag-wish ng hindi maganda. That's why parang may Devil card tayo nakikita dito. So, but April 2026 is nag-reverse siya. So, you'll be slowly moving forward again, Aries. So, as a family, mapupunutan kayo ng tinik, everything will be solved, there will be clarity kasi dito naman yung star. So, there will be resolution for everything. So, High Priestess, ang katapat niya ay Ten of Pentacles. You are manifesting for more money daw po. Aries, of course, sino bang ayaw ng maraming pera? So, your top of mind as of now is maraming pera. So by April 2026, if it's still, sabi ko nga, you are guaranteed of more blessings to come. Sabi ko, ang daming pera na parating. Sabi ko, hindi mo nga alam kung saan magmumula itong mga resources, itong mga blessings for you, Aries. But with the High Priestess card, don't forget, na pag na-receive mo yung blessings, don't forget to keep your feet on the ground, be humble. Always put God and the universe first, or as your priority. Okay, hindi pwedeng maging nasa likod na lang sila after all makuha mo or ibigay sa iyo yung blessings, Aries. Okay? So you still need to be humble. You need to be grounded on your beliefs and on your values in life. Okay, with the High Priestess card, continue being religious or kumbaga putting your faith to the universe. Sige? Oh, Empress in reverse. So, Empress in reverse, ang nakikita natin dito, April 2026, bawiin mo ang sarili mo ha, kasi parang lately daw, Aries, parang napabayaan mo ang sarili mo to the fact na parang pati yung happiness mo, na-compromise, napabayaan mo yung looks mo, yung gupit mo, parang yung mukha mo, nakalimutan mo mag-skincare, everything, tumapa ka, nangayayat ka, everything na related sa parang na-compromise mo yung sarili. So, with the Empress card in reverse, April 2026, there should be a overhaul or parang repair naman. Magpaganda muli, mag-ayos-ayos uli, kumain uli ng marami, or whatsoever for you to regain your old self na parang napabayaan mo lately with this Empress card. So, kasi nga, lately kasi, aside from the problems na mga hinandle mo, Aris, ay isa sa nakakos kung bakit napabayaan mo sarili is because you keep on doing things for the validation or for the approval of other people. So parang more on people pleasing ka lately, more on parang inuuna mo lagi, you are doing everything for other people to be happy. So, and now after all the betrayals and pagtatraidor at walang naibalik sa'yo, ngayon naka-realize ka. So, April 2026, you need to focus on yourself. Oh, you need to retake or regain your energy that has been lost for you. So, even the happiness. So, please, okay, mahalin mo ang sarili mo. We have here the, what is this? The Four of Swords. So, this is also an advice for you by April 2026, kasama ng pagiging busy natin, Aries, sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa career, sa studies, everything. But the health should not be compromised. Kailangan mo ding maglaan ng oras o ng time para sa pahinga. Hindi pwedeng puro trabaho, puro, walang problema. Okay, because hanggat kaya mo naman and may opportunities man, why not? But lagi mong tatandaan, iisa lang ang katawan natin kapag bumigay ito at kapag napagod ito, of course, wala na tayong ipapalit pa. So with this star card, you're guaranteed of success in anything. But kailangan sa success natin na hinahagad natin o gusto nating makamit, ay kailangan hindi makompromise ang ating kalusugan. Okay? Health is wealth, so magpahinga-pahinga din pag may time. 10th and last card mo. Wow, what a very beautiful panapos na barang. For your April 2026, Aries, there will be massive movement. Massive amount of blessings and may pagkalaw talaga sa position mo. Kung lately, siguro matumal, stagnant ang walang growth, but with the Chariot card, I can see here magka-travel din kayo. By April, may plano pa mag-travel or you are going to move to other place, you're going to move to a new job or whatever. So promotion also, this is about elevation of your position. So you truly deserve this. You truly deserve this. Aries, it's because your heart is very pure. You have a very good, sincere intentions with all the things na ginagawa mo. So talagang walang maka-question dito sa mga blessings na parating sa'yo. So just focus and stay humble, be grounded, and everything will follow and fall into place for you, Aries. This is a very beautiful reading. I hope and I pray na maraming nasasign ng Aries ang mga pala dito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa ating reading ngayon. And nasa man kayo naroon, ano mang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat kayo lagi mga pinamahal kong soulmates na Aries. And see you next time. God bless us all.